Drawing Pokemon is nothing difficult, and the way that I do them is breaking it down into ears, legs, neck, eyes, and their lips. So when you want to create animation by this Pokemon, then you can always move it around, turn it around based on the first drawing that you have developed. And my drawing is so simple that you can even do it on your mobile phone or on your iPad, because I'm doing it not by Photoshop, which is way too expensive. And I will give you a link that you can use Affinity Designer just exactly like what I'm using. And I've been using it for over 6 years, and I definitely believe that you can learn how to play around with this app easily, and you can have fun either with your friends or with your family. So good luck!